Hey guys, I'm doing a little bouncing video with my little cousin. Come on, Dickie. Go. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Dickie. Good boy. 3, 2, 1. Dickie, sit down, sit down. Okay, he wants to get a close-up of him. This is my little cousin, Dickie. I tried to get him in a video before, but he kept running away from me, didn't you, Dickie? Yep. Dickie, you want to go sit down and show him the big bomb? Do you want to show him the big bomb? Come on, Dickie. You want to show him the big bomb? Dickie, you want to show him the big bomb? Dickie, you want to bounce really high again? You want to bounce really high again? Here, come here. He just wanted to get a little close up of him. No. Okay, Dickie, you want to sit down? Guys, 3, 2, 1. And that was our bomber. And as you can hear, my sister's over the side and stuff. Dickie wants to get another close up. Say bye-bye, Dickie. Go bye-bye. Say bye. Okay, peace out, guys.